and welcome back to our channel.
We're happy you're here with us today.
Today's story begins with a very unusual discovery.
Imagine finding a wallet filled with thousands of dollars.
What would you do?
Would you keep it, return it, or try to find the owner?
Stay with us and let's find out what happens.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English conversation stories.
Let's begin. What a beautiful afternoon.
It really is.
I'm glad I decided to come to the park today.
Fresh air always helps.
I've been so busy lately.
Work?
Mostly.
Same here.
Sometimes I forget how relaxing nature can be.
That's why I come here often.
Really?
Whenever I need to clear my mind.
That's a good habit.
It works for me.
The weather is perfect.
Not too hot, not too cold.
Exactly. Look at all these people enjoying their day.
Families, joggers, dog owners.
Everyone seems happy.
That's one of the things I like about parks.
What's that?
People slow down.
You're right.
Life feels less stressful here.
I couldn't agree more.
What is it?
Do you see that bench?
Which one?
The one near the fountain.
Yes.
Is there something on it?
Let me look.
I think it's a wallet.
A wallet?
That's what it looks like.
That's strange.
Why would someone leave a wallet behind?
Maybe they forgot it.
Maybe.
Or maybe it's not a wallet.
Let's go check.
Good idea.
It is a wallet.
You're right.
And it looks expensive.
Very expensive.
Do you think someone dropped it?
Probably.
Should we open it?
We should try to find the owner.
Agreed.
Let's see if there's any identification.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Why me?
Because you found it.
Fair enough.
What do you see?
Oh, wow.
What?
Speaker 2.
What happened?
You need to see this.
Don't scare me.
Just look.
Oh my goodness.
I know.
Is that real money?
It looks real.
How much is there?
A lot.
That's unbelievable.
I've never seen so much cash inside a wallet.
Neither have I.
Count it.
Are you serious?
Yes.
All right.
Well?
1,000.
What?
2,000.
No way.
3,000.
This is crazy.
4,000.
Keep going.
$5,000.
$5,000?
Exactly.
That's unbelievable.
This changes everything.
What do you mean?
Finding an empty wallet is one thing.
And this?
This is completely different.
Someone must be looking for it right now.
Probably panicking.
I would be.
Me too.
So,
So,
what do we do now?
we find the owner.
Obviously.
Then what's the problem?
What if we can't?
We have to try.
You're right.
Let's look for clues.
Good idea.
What else is inside?
Several cards.
Any identification?
Yes.
Really?
Here's a driver's license.
Excellent.
The owner's name is Michael Carter.
That's a start.
There's also a few business cards.
That might help.
And several receipts.
Interesting.
Wait,
What?
there's a folded piece of paper.
Open it.
This is strange.
What does it say?
Listen to this.
Okay.
If you find this wallet, please call immediately.
That makes sense.
There's more.
Keep reading.
The money inside is for something very important.
Interesting.
It ends with, please don't ignore this message.
That's unusual.
Very unusual.
Is there a phone number?
Yes,
Perfect.
but now I'm curious.
About what?
What could be so important?
I don't know.
$5,000 isn't a small amount.
Definitely not.
Why would someone carry that much cash?
That's a good question.
Should we call now?
Absolutely.
What if it's a scam?
Why would it be a scam?
I don't know.
You're overthinking.
Maybe.
The owner is probably desperate.
You're right.
Let's call.
Okay.
Put it on speaker.
All right.
Is it ringing?
Yes.
Anyone answering?
Not yet.
Keep waiting.
Still ringing.
Come on.
No answer.
Really?
Straight to voicemail.
That's disappointing.
Maybe they're busy.
Or maybe they don't recognize the number.
That's possible.
Try again.
Okay.
Anything?
Still no answer.
This is getting strange.
I agree.
The note specifically said to call,
Exactly.
yet nobody answers.
Maybe something happened.
What do you mean?
I don't know.
That's not very comforting.
Sorry.
Let's stay positive.
Good idea.
What else can we learn from the wallet?
There are several receipts.
From where?
From grocery stores.
Anything interesting?
Not really.
What about the business cards?
Wait.
What?
One matches the name on the driver's license.
Michael Carter?
Yes.
What's his job?
It says he's the owner of Carter Electronics.
A business owner.
Apparently.
Maybe that's why he has so much cash.
Could be.
We need another way to contact him.
Agreed.
Is there an address?
On the driver's license.
Perfect.
But it might be old.
True.
What if he moved?
We won't know unless we try.
That's fair.
We can also search for his business.
Great idea.
Maybe there's a phone number online.
Or a website.
Exactly.
I hope we find him soon.
Me too.
Imagine how worried he must be.
Especially if the money is important.
I keep thinking about that note.
So do I.
What is the money for?
Maybe we'll find out.
Wait,
What now?
my phone just received a message.
From who?
I don't know.
What does it say?
This is weird.
Tell me.
The message says,
I know you found the wallet.
what? There's more.
Read it.
Please don't give it to anyone.
That's impossible.
It gets stranger.
How?
The message ends with, you don't know who you're dealing with.
Speaker 2.
Yes?
I think we have a bigger problem now.
I think you're right.